Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on a OnePlus Ace 3 Pro. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to scroll down and click on System and Update. Then click on Backup and Reset and click on Reset Phone. Now click on Erase all data and then click on Clear all data. Then click Clear. And now, as you can see, my phone is back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.